Hello, welcome to Cherrybox. Thank you for choosing us. In this quick video, we will show you how to set up your new device and introduce you to its amazing features. Let's get started. Let's first check the package contents. Inside, you will find the Cherrybox main unit, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, the remote control, and a user manual. Please make sure all these accessories are included before we begin. Now let's get the hardware connected. First, insert the batteries into the remote control. It takes AAA batteries, which you'll need to provide yourself. Next, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the Cherrybox and the other end into your TV's HDMI port. Finally, connect the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. So that covers what's in the Cherrybox and how to hook it up to your TV. Now let's dive into the interface and see what it can actually do. If it's your first time turning it on, it will guide you through a quick setup. First, you'll need to pair the Bluetooth remote and then set up your language, time zone. You can adjust these settings based on your own needs. Next, you'll need to connect to the internet. You can choose either Wi-Fi or a wired connection depending on your setup. I'll use Wi-Fi for this demonstration. Then you'll need to set up the display area. If the four edge areas of the TV screen display abnormally, please adjust the display area settings. Lastly, please read through our disclaimer and accept the terms to continue. After setup, you'll land on the Cherrybox home screen. It's got a clean interface with zero boot up ads. Now, let me quickly walk you through what it can do. First up, we've got some awesome wallpapers for you to swap out. Pick your favorite to make the interface truly yours and enhance your overall experience. We've also got your back with customer support. If you ever need help, just contact us right here, and our team will take care of it for you ASAP. We've also included a network speed test tool. You can use it right here to check if your connection is lagging. As an Android smart streaming player, Cherrybox gives you access to all the big names like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. Just log in with your own accounts and you're good to go. It's also powered by Android 14.0, meaning you can grab whatever apps you need straight from the Google Play Store. Of course, if you want to watch live TV, catch up on past broadcasts, movies, or TV shows, you can simply download an app for that. Next, I'll show you how it works. First, you'll need to download the corresponding app from the desktop icons. Next, let's download the Super VOD app together. You can use it to watch movies. It has over 40,000 titles, and the library is constantly updated.
Full debt plus interest.
That's impossible. I don't believe you.
I got the leverage, I got the agreement, I got the paperwork, and I got the signature.
After this, I owe you nothing.
If you want to watch live TV, the process is exactly the same. Just find the live icon on the desktop and tap to download the Super Live app. With over 1,000 channels available, you can stream pretty much any live content you have in mind. The same goes for on-demand TV shows. Just download the corresponding app from the series icon on the desktop, and you'll be ready to watch your favorite series.
You were hosting a charity fundraising night in memory of Dad.
Why?
Because
deceased, demised, expired, an ex-William, which means no more nipping or zipping or
Finally, if you miss a live broadcast, just download the Super Replay app from the replay icon on the desktop. It lets you watch replays of shows from the past 7 days, so you'll never have to worry about missing out again.
Fighting a mummy or climbing up the Eiffel Tower, discovering something that doesn't exist, or giving a monkey a shower, surfing tidal waves, creating nanobots, or locating Frankenstein's brain, finding a dodo bird, painting a continent, or driving our sister insane. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. Come on, Perry! So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all.
And that's a wrap. This is a quick overview of the Cherrybox. Enjoy your brand new Cherrybox experience. If you ever need any help, our after-sales support team is always here for you. Just reach out to us through the support service on the desktop. Thank you again for choosing Cherrybox, and thanks for watching.